The St. Catherine South Police are to launch a probe into the defacing of murals in the community of Waterford in Portmore last night. TVJ News has been informed that the murals, which were part of Jamaica 60 celebrations, were painted over the last 3 days as part of a beautification exercise. Member of Parliament for South Eastern St. Catherine, Robert Miller, has since condemned the act. Commanding Officer for the St. Catherine South Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, addressed the issue today.
That issue in Waterford, and that I'm pretty disappointed that somebody would imagine to do something like that. It does not rest well with the police, and we have started to do our probe. I still also want to use the opportunity to urge our leaders to ensure that you're having the dialogue at the senior level, at the strategic level, and that you be mindful of your posture out there as community leaders. Be mindful you send the wrong message sometimes to your followers.